so today I am going to go over my Sephora VIB ROUGE haul. I know it's a little late, but this shipment came very late. I think I waited about a month before I finally gets here, but it's here, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna go in, grab a product, and I'll show you guys what I got. First product is this, and this is the Kosas. I already unpackaged it. This is the Kosas Moisturizing Baked Bronzer in the color Light. So I was debating if I should get the light or the medium. Usually I go with medium for most bronzers, but I heard, or I've seen YouTube videos where they swatched it and it seems pretty dark. So this is what it looks like, and excuse my computer there. I'm gonna swatch it. And that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna actually put this on my face since I have this Fenty Beauty brush that I wanted to try. It came in squished like this package. But the brush itself is fine, and it's the face shaping brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just apply it. And I need a mirror. Okay. I'm gonna have to use this one. Ooh. Okay, I think I went a little bit too much there, but you can definitely see it. I need to be a little bit light-handed on this one. This is very pigmented. It looks very good. I don't know. I like it. Just have to learn to apply it with a lighter hand. It is very pigmented. So this is a clean product, and I'm all about supporting the clean product. And it says it's made in Italy. Okay. So far, first impression, not bad, but I need to have a lighter touch with it. Next, I picked up this. And it's the Viseart Paris Edit Eye Palette. It's the mini version, so it's this tiny compared to my face, to give you guys an idea. I've always liked Viseart. I have a lot of the bigger palettes, but they're so hard to travel. I'm looking, let me show you what palette I have. Like,
a few moments later.
Okay, so this is the palette I really like. It's the Anastasia Beverly palette, but look at how massive this is. Okay, this is not good for traveling, and it starts to make squeaky sounds now when I open. Listen. Why does it make that sound? Anyways, I still like it despite the sound that it makes. But this is a lot more travel friendly than this. So I wanted something small. And actually I've used it today on my eyes. Only two colors that I've used, which is the cerise and the creme brulee. So this one, and then the dark brown one over here. So I really like it so far. It hasn't disappointed me. Oh, and I'm sorry, I also use this shimmering one right here, this pink one. That is called that's called Oprah. So I used 3 shades on my eyes today. So far I like it. So we'll see how they hold up. But I have always had good experiences with this brand. So next thing I'm gonna pick up is this. This is the Glo Kit. Anastasia partner up with, I guess, Nicole. I can't pronounce her last name, guerriero. And oh, it doesn't come with a mirror, but this is what it looks like inside. I'm kind of bummed that there's no mirror here, because that means I need to use this squeaky palette to apply it. Okay, Okay, let's try to apply it. I'm gonna use the same brush. Kind of just brushed it off on my thigh here. Ooh, which one should I pick? I think I'm gonna go with Kitty Cat. This one right here. And I'm gonna just have this brush. It's really fluffy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I think I went a little bit too heavy-handed, but and you definitely see the glow. Okay, I need to be lighter-handed in general with this, but it's nice because you can see that the camera really picks it up. Okay, now I'm gonna try a different one for you guys. I'm gonna go back to the Kosas. I'm going a little bit more light-handed just to like redeem myself. I'm gonna do this side that's not contaminated yet. So pick some up. Light hand poly. Light. Okay. Good. Now I'm gonna pick up, I think I'm gonna use Daydream. Oops. This one right here. It's a little bit more like orangey shade compared to Kitty Cat that has like a pink undertone. So I'm gonna pick it up lightly. My mirror. It's definitely more of an orange tone. I think this would look really nice in the summer. So there you go. This is the crazy shine that when I use too much, and this is when it's more normal. Yeah, this is good. I like this brush so far. Okay. Alright, so let me put this back. It comes with this sheet and you just put it back. I guess that's what I'll do. And it comes with this cover. I'm still bummed that it's not like, there's no mirror there, but I like it so far. Oh, and I also got some skincare stuff, and you can see already unpacked because I ran out of my moisturizer. I had to use this one. So it comes with 3 different moisturizer, a mist, and a mask. And the full size one is this watermelon glow recipe Ultrafine mist. So this is the one that comes in full size. And the other 2 are so cute. I used this one today on my face. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna break me out or not. Sometimes when I use fruity stuff, it doesn't work, but sometimes it works very well. So I'm willing to take that risk. And this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which I haven't used yet. Let me see if you can rinse this one off if you have to, or you can just leave it on. Apply a dime-sized amount onto skin and wash thoroughly in the morning. Oh, okay, so you do wash it off in the morning, and you can keep it on overnight, which is good. It's supposed to refine your pores, it says as well. So I like that. I don't really like the mask. Well, no, I still have those masks. I was gonna say this is a lot more convenient than masks that you need to wash off, right? Because sometimes you put it on and you forget and you just go to sleep. So I'm excited to try that. I haven't tried it. If there's anything I got and you guys want me to do a trial on it or a review, just let me know. This I got in a trial version back with one of the like travel size stuff that Sephora has, and Sephora favorites or something. I'll put it up here. But this is the Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte, and it's the 4-in-1 setting mist. So I like the smell of this. Yeah, it smells like woo! Okay, I did not aim that on myself. Okay, the mist the droplets is very big. Yeah, it's very big. But it smells like, if you're Asian, you'll know. It smells like the plum juice that you get at Hot Pot. I really like that smell. Not everybody will, but I do. So that's that. I think it gives your skin like a nice glow. I don't know if it sets the makeup. Hopefully it does. I didn't really check when I was using the trial size. I just thought it felt refreshing, and that's what I like. And speaking of mist, I forgot to try this one. It doesn't hurt, right? I don't think the mist will do anything, but I just want to compare it since I just did that mist. This is supposed to be a hydration one, not a setting. I don't think it sets. Let's see. Hydrating ultrafine mist packed with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, hibiscus, AHAs that soften and plump skin and refresh makeup. Okay, good. So they're two different function. That one's the setting spray, and this is more of a hydration. So let's try this. Oh, okay. So this spray, it comes with really nice watermelon scent. It's pretty strong actually. So if you don't like watermelon, I don't know if you'll like this, but if you like watermelon, then this smells super refreshing. The mist that it like sprays out is a lot more fine than this one. This one's almost like droplets. I wish they can make this better. But so far, like first impression, two second impression is good. But we gotta like use it more to see. So I'm going to talk about these two products. This came with my first order. I bought my first order with a gift card, and it's a set. I'll put up here so you know what I got. But it comes with this, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and also the Milk Cooling Water. So I have this in the full size already, so I know what that's like. But I've been curious about these two products, and I also ran out of my normal Dentist Gross moisturizer that I actually really like. But I was thinking if I can save some money on like getting these trial things, especially if I'm moving, that might be good. So this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, I've used it already. It's very, very rich. Okay, I think it'll be better for people with dry skin. My skin's normal, I would say, and sensitive. This might be a little too rich for me, I'm not sure, but I was a little dumb. I was using this one and this one because I'm greedy. I want to try both. And then I stopped using this one and I only use this one. But my skin, like my forehead, started to get like little bumps. So I don't know which one's causing it. I don't know. I have to like stop using both and then like retest my skin. But this, I can see it being good with dry skin people, and it has a fragrance, so I don't know. People who don't like fragrance may not like this, but it does make the makeup glide on pretty well. But I just don't know if it's for my skin. This cooling water comes in a stick like this. What I like is it's very cooling, so it feels like you're rubbing a little bit of like icing stuff on, and it's not as sticky as the Charlotte Tilbury, but it still moisturizes. But this one smells like an eraser. I don't like the smell, to be honest, but it does feel good on the skin, just doesn't smell good. And I also don't know if this is the culprit that's breaking me out, or this, or if it's a combination. I don't know. I'll have to like figure that out myself. Another thing I got was this. It's the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. This came with my first order. I've already used the trial version, so I know I like this, because sometimes my skin is not as hydrating as I want it to be. Sometimes I wake up and it feels like more dry. It comes with a pump, and it smells like watermelon, and it's very watery, so that the makeup will glide on really, really well, and it'll make your skin look like the like the Korean girl band with like really plumping skin and very like moisturizing look. It's gonna give you that almost like wet look. Okay, so if you like the matte finish, this isn't for you. But I do like this, especially on the days when I feel like my skin needs a little bit of a boost. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Butter Pro Filt'r Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So I've tried this a couple times. I wanted a setting powder that I can take with me, again, being travel friendly. This is like the perfect size, and I've used it so many times and there's still a lot of product left. It comes with this puff. So this is in one of my first orders with all the things, and I like the smell. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it smells like baby skin after a bath or something. Is that weird to describe? But it does smell nice, and I find that using the little pouch that it comes with does a better job than using all my other brushes. So, last thing, I got these because these were on sale, and I've always been wondering if they really work, because during COVID time, anxiety is sometimes there. I usually don't get anxious, but recently I've been quite stressed, I have to admit. So I'm gonna take one. I don't know if they work, but they taste really good. Being a dentist, I'm always looking at the sugar. Oh, it does have 2 grams of sugar. I was hoping that it'd be xylitol or something. Anyway, so it does taste really sweet. It tastes good. It has GABA, lemon balm, naturally tasty zen blend of strawberry and lemon. Oh, that's what it is, strawberry and lemon. You're supposed to take 2 a day. They're kind of pricey. I only got them because they're on sale, so we'll see if what I just took helped to release my stress. Goodbye stress. So yeah, I'll let you guys know, but definitely tastes like candy. Why is it not xylitol? Okay. Alright, so that concludes my Sephora haul. Thanks for watching. If you like, please comment, subscribe, and let me know if there's anything in this box that you want me to review, or if you want to see. If you like anything beauty, dentistry, or lifestyle related, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!